All right, welcome back to the RV Repair Channel by your friendly friend, Captain Brad. All righty, yep, we're building a new guide boat. But anyway, we're going to talk about this Forest River Wildcat. It has a Suburban hot water heater in it, and it was not working. These are thermostats. This is 12 volt side, this is 120 side, and for whatever reason, this 120 side right here connecting wire was burning too. Well, I pulled all the stuff out. This here is where you have a anoid rod so that the metal tank doesn't mess up with the water. And this here is where you have a 120 heating element. All right, let me go over here, guys. Walk with me. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. We will bury us a new line when it gets cooler weather, but right now it's been 95 degrees and 110 heat index. So let me just show you what people don't know. There's the heating element come out of it. Look at it all busted up. Can you see that? Now the guy I bought it from, he wanted to say he didn't even know that it had a 120 heating element in it. So I bought some new stuff. This is the new anoid. Look how thick it is. There's the new heating element. It's a 120 volt, 1500. Now there's the anoid that came out of it. Oh my God. I don't know if it had ever been changed, but whoever owned this camper before the guy I got it from, well, in fact, he didn't own it. He was just selling it for somebody. Anyway, people, come on. Really? If your manual that came with this camper when you bought it, and if you bought it used from somebody else, damn, look the information up. That's what I did. And then do the research. Gee, it's so easy. And take care of your product. The camper's in good shape. As you can see, that slide out cover there is working. This slide out cover here, I don't know how it got broke loose, but you see it back there. I'm going to fix that too. I had a little bit of water leaks that I had to fix, and this is just a little quickie. So before you do anything with anything that's electrical, kill the power and then check, make sure there is no voltage. All right, Captain Brad, my Wildcat, we out.